It's killerrain gold here, and today it's not looking very good for Saga. Somebody needs to pay up. Saga. Talking, Saga. Better fucking start talking. Oh, playing that quiet shit, huh? Alright. We'll just give you one motherfucking whack. Oh, shit.
Motherfucker.
Because like I'm gonna cut most of it out, you know what I mean? This is gonna be dangerous. This is very dangerous. I'm probably gonna try to take this. Yeah.
I'm gonna smoke one for you.
You mean my red money lit? Make this tape all sticky? What the fuck? Damn, we'll come out here. Yeah.
Bring it over here, because like it doesn't matter if it's recording. Because like bring it over here, like towards us. Whoa! Alright, that's a good take. Oh shit!
After you beat it up.
Alright. This is what's gonna fix everything. Alright, you need the organic mayo or it's not gonna work at all. Take that shit. Yeah, you have to make sure it's spreading. Just make sure you spread it all over. After you stab all those wounds. It's looking pretty great. So you have to put it down there, fresh. Dude, that shit looks fresh. Wait about 5 minutes, let it dry. It's gonna be good. You have it all wiped off. It should look really good. Here's the end product of how it turned out. It turned out pretty great. Maybe a couple of minor scratches that didn't come out, but overall it's pretty fucking good. Peace out, guys. I hope you guys like